Okay, Plymouth truck fans, here we go with another Gauze Garage. Look at this beautiful Plymouth truck here at Mopar's at Merritt's, Clearwater, Florida. Look at that. The sailing ship that goes along with the name of Plymouth. This is a 41 model. Very beautifully done. And it's a model PT125 is what the placard says. So 41 PT125 Plymouth truck. I'm not sure if this was for the US market or the Canadian market. But very nicely done. Presents well. You can tell the restoration is really nice. And trucks, quite frankly, are hot. They have been for many years already. Out at the auctions, they're really doing really good prices, along with the Broncos and so forth. And then, how cool would it be just to go out on a country road in an old 41 Plymouth truck? Yep, what dreams are made of. Very rare, very nice. 41 Plymouth truck PT125 model. Gauze Garage, Clearwater, Florida. Thank you.